That's the only one that is not a 5N.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is all emphasis on luxury and smoothness. Bigger platform, 3 rows of seats. Row 1 and 2 are both heated and ventilated. Row 1 is also capable of doing massage, and they both can recline. 300 miles on a single charge.
Mm-hmm.
Only 24 minutes to get back to 80%.
Mm-hmm.
In the current economy, probably the best feature about this car is the fact that it's made in our Georgia plant, just outside of Atlanta. So it's a US built car.
Okay.
75% of the parts are also from the US. Since we have 5 different plants here. Nothing new.
Mm-hmm.
We've been here since 2005.
Okay.
Super smooth, super quiet, good steering radius.
Mm-hmm.
Bose sound system. You name it, you got it.
All right. Thank you very much,
Yes, sir.
and happy Easter.